welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Sunday special thali recipes. Meal maker palav, chicken curry, masala bhaji, raita and special pistachio kheer. If you like these recipes, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification for further upcoming videos. Let's get started. I am preparing this lunch for 5 people. The ingredients for the pulao are 600 grams of basmati rice washed, 1 cup of soya chunks washed and soaked in water, 1 medium size onion sliced like this, 1 big tomato sliced, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 4 to 5 green chilli sliced, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons of mint leaves and spices, 3 cardamom, 3 cloves, cinnamon sticks and 1 bay leaf. And we need 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can also use oil instead of ghee. Let's get started. Take a big vessel like this and on the flame, let the vessel heats up. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Put the flame on low. Let the ghee heat up. Now add the spices. Now add the onion. Add salt, 1 teaspoon, so that our onions quickly become soft. Give a stir. Add the green chillies. Put the flame on medium and let the onions turn to golden brown color. Now add the ginger garlic paste. Mix nicely. Fry until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste completely gone. Keep mixing to avoid burning. Now add the tomatoes. Mix. Now cover the lid and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. After 2 minutes, mix nicely. Now add the mint leaf and the coriander leaf and mix. Now take out the excess water from the meal makers and add. Mix. Cover the lid and cook for 1 minute. See guys, after 1 minute, mix one time. Add the water. For 1 cup of rice, 1.5 cup of water. Mix nicely and check the salt at this point. I need some more salt guys, so I am going to add half teaspoon of salt again. You add salt as per your taste. Cover the lid and cook on high flame until it comes to a boil. See guys, the water boiling. Now completely drain the water from the rice with a strainer. Now add the rice. Mix nicely and cover the lid. Let it cook for 2 minutes on high flame. See guys, after 2 minutes, mix one time. Now lower the flame to medium. Cover the lid and let it cook for 2 more minutes on medium flame. See guys, after 2 more minutes, mix everything nicely. Now cover the lid. Let it cook for another 2 minutes on low flame. See guys, after 2 minutes, I'm going to off the flame. And don't open the lid for another 2 more minutes. See guys, our meal maker palav is ready. Now let's go make the chicken curry. The ingredients for the chicken curry are 1 kg of chicken, cleaned and washed, 1 big cup of finely chopped onions, 5 to 6 green chilies sliced, 3 cardamom, 3 cloves, small piece of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1.5 tablespoon of dry coconut paste. If you don't have, you can also use dry coconut powder also. 1 tablespoon of homemade chicken masala. I will give you this recipe in my upcoming videos. Some coriander finely chopped, 1.5 tablespoon of curd, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's get started. Take the chicken, add the chili powder, salt, half of the salt, coconut paste, turmeric powder, and the curd and the chicken masala. Mix everything nicely with your clean hands. Leave this to marinate for 10 minutes. Take a pan, on the flame, let it heat up. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up. Now add the spices. Now add the onions. Add 4 teaspoons of salt to the onions so that they become soft quickly. Give a stir. Let the onions turn to golden brown color. See guys, the onions slightly turn to golden brown color. Now add the garlic ginger paste. And mix. Fry until the raw smell of the garlic ginger paste completely gone. Keep mixing to avoid burning guys. Garlic ginger paste will stick to the bottom easily, that's why. Keep mixing on medium flame. See guys, now add the green chilies. Now add the marinated chicken. Mix until well combined. Cover the lid and cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Give a stir for every 1 minute to avoid burning. See guys, after
4 minutes of cooking,
see how our chicken looking. Now add this masala water. Add some more water. Mix nicely. At this point, check the salt and the spiciness. The salt is perfect. I am adding half teaspoon of chili powder.
mix until well combined.
Cover the lid and cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. In the middle, just give a little stir for every 2 minutes to avoid burning.
See guys, after 15 minutes, how our chicken looking?
Give a stir and check the chicken cook completely or not. Break a big piece like this. Our chicken needs to cook some more time. Cover the lid and let it cook for another 5 minutes on medium flame.
After 5 minutes,
See guys, lower the flame. See, our chicken curry is almost done ready. Now sprinkle the coriander. Let it cook for 30 seconds and we can off the flame then. See guys, after 30 seconds I am going to off the flame. Our spicy chicken curry is ready.
now let's go make the masala bhaji. The ingredients for the masala bhaji are a big handful of bhaji,
1 big tomato sliced, 1 big onion sliced, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, few leaves of mint and coriander, 10 green chilies sliced, half teaspoon of garam masala,
1 tablespoon of
coconut paste. You can also use dry coconut powder and salt to taste. Let's get started. Take a vessel on the flame. Let it heat up. Add 2 tablespoons of oil.
let the oil heat up.
Add the onions. Add the turmeric powder. Mix well. Put the flame on medium. Let the onions become soft. The onions soft ready. Now add the garlic ginger paste. Mix nicely. Fry on low flame until the raw smell of the garlic ginger paste completely gone. Now add the tomatoes. Keep the flame on medium. Add the green chilies. Mix everything nicely. Cover the lid. Let it cook until the tomato and chilies become soft. See guys, the tomatoes become soft. Now add
Half cup of water.
mix. Cover the lid. Let it come to a boil. See guys, it's boiling. Now add the
gongura leaves.
Mix one time. Cover the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. See guys, after 2 minutes it becomes soft. Now add the mint and the coriander leaves. Add quarter cup of water.
Mix.
Now cover the lid. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Mix for every 1 minute to avoid burning. So guys, it's 5 minutes ready. Our bhaji soft and ready. Now add the garam masala, salt to taste. First add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix everything nicely. Cover the lid and let it cook for 1 more minute on low flame. See guys, I am finally adding the 1 teaspoon of coconut paste. Mix everything nicely. Let it cook for 1 more minute. So guys, now I am going to off the flame.
Use a masher like this to make it soft. Otherwise, let it cool down and put in the mixer grinder jar and grind for only 2 to 4 seconds.
See guys, our masala bhaji is ready. Just taste a little to check the salt. I think I need some more salt. Now I am adding half teaspoon of salt. And mix. Now check the salt again and adjust as per your taste.
Our masala bhaji is ready. Now let's go make kheer. I am using this kheer mix to make kheer today.
Take a pan like this. Put the flame on medium.
Add 1 liter of milk.
Let it come to a boil. See guys, our milk has come to a boil. Now I am going to add this kheer mix and keep stirring.
Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Stir for every 1 minute to avoid overflow of the milk and burning.
See guys, now our kheer is almost done. I am going to off the flame.
Now let's go make raita.
The ingredients for raita are 1 cup of curd, 1 small onion finely chopped, quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 2 mint leaves and few coriander leaves finely chopped. Add the mint and coriander leaves to the curd. Add the green chilies and salt and the onions and mix nicely. That's all. Our raita is ready. Hope you guys like these recipes. You also try these recipes at your home and let me know how they come in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.